Good morning, everybody. Um,
Good
Hi.
morning to you too. Let me know if there's anything I can do.
That's Google. I wasn't talking to you. My goodness. Um, so before I get started with my day today, I just wanted to. I've been looking at some videos and stuff. So when I woke up yesterday morning, the first thing I did was I found a YouTube video on Python. So I was looking at a video on which is a coding language, right? And because I'm the more that I'm working on this cyber course, the more I'm getting interested in learning coding, which is awesome, right? So working on this thing for somebody else is actually inspiring me to want to do more in this area because it's so interesting and I see the trend. I see where we're going in the world of work regarding programming and languages and and stuff like that. So I'm really inspired to do that. But I've also been just thinking about what I want my next step to be. So yesterday, I think it was yesterday or day before, I did a video on Facebook. I'd never done videos on Facebook, but I have a lot more followers on Facebook than I do here on YouTube, just because I've been on Facebook longer. That's all. I've been on Facebook longer. So I did some videos there, and I want to do that. So just doing those things and thinking about what I want to do and what I want my next step to be, I'm also inspired to do other things, right? To it's kind of hard to explain, but I feel like I'm getting more clarity about where my next step should be. Let me just say it that way. Okay. So my inspiration is coming both from outside and from inside. Okay. From me just looking to see what is going on, where I want to go, what I want my next step to be, and how I want to use the space I have in this world to do what I really want to do. Um, I love this work, this learning development, all this stuff you see all over my walls and stuff. I love that, but because it's learning touches everything. It touches absolutely everything, and the way that I see it is something that I feel needs to be shared more widely. All right, it's not just about me here in my basement doing these things, for other people on a small level. I really do, especially after doing my last that keynote that I did recently. I'm really feeling inspired to go more in that direction and really, more of a thought leader and getting the word out about what I do and how I do it and why I do it. Not that you need to do something differently, but so that, because there's a lot of stuff that I say that people have never heard before in that way, and I don't know about you, but I love that. I love when people present to me something that I've known before, but I didn't know it like that, because that helps inform now the way that I see something. Now my sight around that thing is more clear. The picture is a little bit bigger, now that I've been presented with that thing in that way. And that's what I say, that's exactly what learning is, sharing of perspective and experience. And anytime that happens, something changes. It just has to, right? Something just changes. Now, that doesn't mean you do something different or even that you start believing differently, but you certainly see differently. Okay. But you can go on to, do and believe whatever you want to do. All right, so this is going to be a really ambitious day for me. So I'm gonna go. I just wanted to pop up really quick and say that, and I will be back later on today. So I'll see you all then. Bye.